Today we've got a phone that marks a significant step forward in the mid-range category, the 200 Pro. This phone offers a unique blend of powerful features, and we're going to dive into all of them along with a few drawbacks. So let's jump right into the details. Design and build quality. First off, let's talk about the design. Honor has always been focused on delivering sleek, modern designs, and this one is no exception. The phone comes with a minimalist design and curved edges, giving it a very comfortable feel in the hand. The frame is made of plastic, which might be a downside for some people who prefer the metal frame seen in flagship devices. But the plastic here is high quality, making the phone light and comfortable to use for extended periods. The back is made of glass with a nice glossy finish, and it comes in attractive colors like gradient blue and black. Let's move on to the screen. The Honor 200 Pro features a 6.67-inch OLED display with FHD resolution. The colors are fantastic, and the brightness holds up well, even under direct sunlight. With a 120Hz refresh rate, scrolling and gaming feels super smooth. It also supports HDR10, which is great if you love watching high-quality movies and shows. The viewing angles are excellent, and the screen-to-body ratio is impressive. The display has good protection, although we don't get specific details like Gorilla Glass, so I'd recommend using a screen protector just to be safe. Cameras. Alright, now for the part we all love, the cameras. This phone comes with an impressive camera setup. The main camera is 50 megapixels with a wide f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization (OIS), which helps you take steady shots even in low light. There's also a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 2.5 times optical zoom, so you can capture detailed shots from a distance. And let's not forget the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, which isn't just for wide angle shots, it also doubles as a macro camera for high quality close-ups. Night photography. One of the standout features here is night photography. The phone supports night mode across all the cameras, including the selfie camera, so you'll get sharp, detailed photos even in low light conditions. The colors stay natural, and there's little to no noticeable noise in the shots. Selfie camera. Speaking of selfies, the front camera is also 50 megapixels. It doesn't just give you crisp, high quality selfies, it also helps with professional looking videos. One cool feature is the ability to change the focus after taking the shot, so you can blur the background or foreground depending on your preference. This makes your photos look more polished and professional. Video recording. As for video recording, the Honor 200 Pro is one of the best in its class. It supports 4K video recording at 60 frames per second with the rear cameras, so your videos will be sharp and smooth. What's even better is that you can switch between cameras while recording without stopping the video, something that's rare in this price range. The selfie camera also supports 4K video, but at 30 frames per second. Performance. Now, let's talk performance. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is one of the latest and most powerful chips out there. It delivers solid performance for everyday apps and can handle heavy games like PUBG and Call of Duty on the highest settings without any lag or overheating. Plus, with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of internal storage, you won't have to worry about space or slowdowns with big apps. Battery and charging. When it comes to battery life, the Honor 200 Pro has a 5000 mAh battery, which will easily last you a full day of moderate use without needing to charge. But what really stands out is the charging speed. It supports 100 watt fast charging, meaning you can go from 0% to 65% in about 15 minutes and a full charge in just around 40 minutes. On top of that, it also supports 66 watt wireless charging, which is super convenient. Operating system. The phone runs Android 13 with Magic UI 7, which offers a lot of customization options and features to make everyday use easier. The interface is smooth and lag-free, but you might find a few pre-installed apps that you don't need. Luckily, you can easily install them. Pros. Professional cameras, a strong camera setup with optical zoom, OIS and night mode. Fast charging, 100% watt wired fast charging and 66 watt wireless charging. Performance, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and 12 GB of RAM ensure smooth performance. Video recording, 4K recording with the ability to switch between cameras during filming. Cons. Water resistance. While the phone has an IP65 rating, it's not as waterproof as the IP68 standard found in flagships. Plastic frame. Some users might prefer a more premium feel with a metal frame. Overall, the Honor 200 Pro is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a powerful phone with great cameras, fast charging, and excellent performance without the high price tag of flagship models. If you think this phone fits your needs, don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more reviews. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. There are more tutorials waiting for you on the Top Mac 4 channel. Don't hesitate to subscribe and become part of the family.